Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome to IDGN Memorial classes. Now let us solve one most important question from exercise 5.3. That is the last question of this exercise. ठीक है? क्या है? In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line as shown in figure 5.6. This is the figure given here, figure 5.6. ठीक है? Now करें कि a competitor starts from the bucket, pick up the nearest potatoes, runs back with it, drop it in the bucket, and runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continue in the same way until the last potato are in the bucket. ठीक है? What is the total distance the competitor has to run? यानी पोटैटो रेस है, आलू रेस जिसको बोलते हैं. इसमें क्या होता है कि एक बकेट रखी हुई है स्टार्टिंग में और उससे पहला पोटैटो 5 मीटर की दूरी पर है. उसके बाद 3-3 मीटर की दूरी पर 10 पोटैटोज रखे हुए, यानी 10 आलू रखे हुए हैं. तो कंपटीटर बकेट के पास खड़ा है, उसको पहले दौड़ करके फर्स्ट पोटैटो को पिकअप करना है, बकेट में पुट करना है, फिर दूसरे को जाके ले आना है, बकेट में डालना है, उसी तरह तीसरे चौथे यानी सभी को ला करके और बकेट में रखना है. तो इस टोटल गेम में उसे कितनी डिस्टेंस दौड़नी पड़ेगी. ठीक है? सो कैसे निकालेंगे हम? क्या गिवन है? Since here first potato is at 5 meter from the bucket and other are 3 meter apart in a straight line. ठीक है? So to pick up the first potato and drop in the bucket, the competitor has to travel how much? So 5 meter he will run to pick up and again 5 meter he will run back to put in the bucket. यानी 5 मीटर वो फर्स्ट पोटैटो को पिकअप करने के लिए जाएगा, उसके बाद पिकअप करने के बाद 5 मीटर बकेट तक आने में लगेगा. उसी तरह से अगेन सेकेंड पोटैटो के लिए he has to travel 5 plus 3 8 meter and then come back 8 meter to drop in the bucket. ठीक है? Likewise for the third potato she has to travel 5 plus 6 यानी 11 meter to pick up and again 11 meter to drop in the bucket. ठीक है? Likewise she will continue till the 10th potato. So here first potato is at 5 meter from the bucket and other are 3 meter apart in a straight line. So to pick up the first potato or to pick up the potatoes starting from first and continued till 10th potatoes. She has to travel, she has to run how much? 2 into 5 meter for first, 2 into 5 plus 3 for second, 2 into 5 plus 6 for third, 2 into 5 plus 9 for fourth and till last यानी 10th potatoes. So now what we see, that is 10 meter, ये 5 plus 3 8 into 2 16 meter, 11 into 2 22 meter and 9 into 14 into 2 28 meter and so on is the distance covered by competitor to pick up the first potato, second potato, third potato and drop in the bucket. यानी पहले पोटैटो को पिकअप करके ड्रॉप करने में CH2 ट्रेवल 10 मीटर, फॉर सेकेंड 16 मीटर, फॉर थर्ड 22 मीटर, फॉर फोर्थ 28 मीटर. लाइकवाइज what we see here, these terms form an AP. ठीक है. So since यहां लिखेंगे which are in AP, whose first term is here, first term A equal to 10, common difference D equal to 6 and N equal to 10. ठीक है. So total distance the competitor has to run each S10, that is equal to sum of 10 plus 16 plus 22 plus 28 plus and so on up to 10 terms. ठीक है. Now this will be equal to 10 by 2 into 2A, 2 into 10 plus 10 minus 1 into D is 6. ठीक है. So now this will be how much? 5 into 20 plus 9 into 6, that is 5 into 20 plus 54, that is equal to 5 into 74. Now this will be equal to how much? 5 4 are 20, carry 2, 5 7 are 35 and 2 37. So total distance run by the competitor is 370 meter. Hence competitor has to run how much? 370 meter to pick up all potatoes. ठीक है. समझ में आया. क्वेश्चन लंबा है बट सॉल्यूशन सिंपल है, कोई क्रिटिकल नहीं है. सो नोट करो. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. ओके बाय.